Today we'll continue with the revision sheet. And we'll move down. Okay, as you can see here, we reached question 53. We've solved yesterday question 52. So today we'll start with question 53. Okay.
Okay, Mr. Why you don't erase that app?
Okay, let's start with question number 53. And Abdelaziz Jughayman.
Here.
Okay, Abdelaziz, question 53. Tell me how we can do it.
Count the square units. 21.
Okay, what did you do?
I count the square units.
Great, this is one idea. This is one method that how to find.
And you can multiply.
Yes, we can multiply. Okay, can you tell me how to multiply? What are you going to multiply?
3 multiply 7.
Okay, so you say that we need to know the two dimensions. This one, it's 3.
Yeah.
And this one, okay, let me do it again because. And this one is 7.
Yeah.
Okay, then we will multiply 3 times 7. It will be
Equals 21.
21 square feet. So the answer is 21 square feet. Okay, thank you, Abdelaziz. Great work.
Welcome.
Okay, my heroes, I will remind you about what we are doing here. If you have rectangle, so area of any rectangles, of any rectangle equals length multiplied by width.
Length and wide.
Length multiplied by width. We call these two, we call them dimensions. So we have two dimensions. One of them is called length, which is the taller side or the longer side. And the other one is called width, which is the smaller. And to find the area, we just multiply the length by the width. And this is only for rectangles. So do not do this with any other shape. And of course, my heroes, you know that the square is a rectangle. So this also can work with the square. And can anyone tell me the difference between the square and the rectangle?
Me, Mr.
Al-Hassan.
Okay. Al-Hassan?
But Mr. I said square.
You didn't say your name. Abdelaziz, you should say your name. Okay, Al-Hassan will answer me and you will answer another time. Al-Hassan?
I forgot.
The square and rectangle.
Yes, what's the difference?
The square have width and the rectangle is long and
The rectangle is longer
than square.
Okay, I need someone to tell me the difference in another way. Thank you, Al-Hassan. So, Abdelaziz, what do you have?
I said that the square so it's long, but it's not like the what's the another shape? Rectangle, yeah. The rectangle is so long, but the square is long, but the rectangle is longer, like this. And the rectangle
Yes,
and the
you're correct.
rectangle.
You're correct. You're right. Thank you, Abdulaziz.
Welcome.
Mr. I can explain it another
Okay,
way.
Ahmed.
The rectangle, sometimes it's be here 3 and here 7.
Mm-hmm.
But the square, when it's be here 3, for example, 3 foot square feet, and here 3 square feet, not another. If it is 5 or 4 or 7, it's be rectangle.
Okay, so you say that the rectangle and the square is the same shape, but the difference is that the rectangle has 2 different dimensions, like this one.
Yeah.
If I draw here and write here 5 and here 8, so this is a rectangle. But for
Yeah.
the square, it's the same shape, but this time we have the same number. If I write here that this one is 9, so
Yeah.
this one is also 9, this is 9, this is 9. All sides are equal.
Yeah.
Yeah, okay.
That's
Thank you,
ideal.
Ahmed. Okay, so my heroes.
So that I mean,
Yes,
I'm
Abdulaziz.
Khalifa. Did that?
Okay, thank you, Abdulaziz. So the square
You
is
are-
a rectangle. It is a rectangle. But the difference is that the square, the length equaled the width. The 2 dimensions are equal.
Yeah.
That's all. So the square is a rectangle, but the 2 dimensions are equal. So we can use the same rule, length multiplied by width, but this time we multiply the number by itself. So 9 times 9. Okay, my heroes. Let's move to the next question, and this time we have something called irregular shape. And this shape, this time, we need to estimate the area. Okay, I'll ask one of my heroes to help me. Hassan Jabir.
I'm here.
Okay, Hassan, what do we mean by estimate? Estimate the area. How to estimate the area? So this is the exact area?
Yeah.
No, of course, it's not the exact. It's near to the exact, but not the exact. Okay, can you tell me how to find the estimate area, the estimate or the area that is close and near to the exact, but not the exact for this one? How to find it? Do you know?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. We need first to count what? The filled squares.
The filled squares.
Okay, I'll help you with this. 1, 2,
2,
3.
3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8,
Okay,
9,
where is
10.
9? This one? And this 10? Okay, now I don't have
Yes.
any more filled squares, right? All other squares are not filled. Okay, this one and this one together can form one square. So these two together, we will count them as one. And these two also, this one and this one, we can count them as another one. So we reach 10 in counting. So this is 11, and this one is
12.
12. So the answer to the question, the estimate is,
Is 12.
yes, 12 square units.
12.
Thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay,
You're
my
welcome.
heroes, do you have any questions? Any problems? So we can move to the next question. And for the next question, we have the same idea here. We need to estimate the area of the oval.
I have a question.
Yes, my hero, Abdulaziz Sultan.
The answer is before. I don't understand
This one?
it. Yeah.
Okay, I make it a little bit larger so now you can see it better, right? Okay, can you see the counting 1, 2, 3, 4? Okay, we
Yeah.
reached 10. So 10 filled squares. So for this one, we have 10 filled squares.
Square.
Okay, and we have here
Yeah.
two parts, this one and this one. Can you see them? These two together. Look at the first one and the second one, these two. These two, one of them is this part and the other is this part. These two together can form one square. Yes, so I count them as they are one square only. So this is another one. That's why we write here 11. And these two also together form another one. So we can count another number. So 12. Okay, so now my hero, you understand why we say that it's about 12 square units. Okay? Okay, thank you.
Okay.
Okay, my heroes, let's see the next question. And
Thank you,
focus
teacher.
because it's also the same idea. I will make it a little bit larger. Okay. So we can see it better. And the choices are down here. We will count, then we will choose the correct answer. Okay. Ali Salim. Ali Salim. Ali Salim. Yusuf Bukhamsin.
Yes, Mr.
Okay, Yusuf, help me. We will start first with counting what the filled squares, right? Okay, I can see here this is filled. So 1, 2, 3,
1, 2,
4.
3, 4, 5.
This is not filled, so I will not count it. 7, 8,
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12.
Okay. Do we have any other filled? No. So now we start to see where are the parts that can form a
There
square.
are not filled. They
Again?
are not filled. We will
Yes,
see that
the squares
not
that are not filled. Okay, I see this one. This one with it.
Yeah, this one. This is one.
So these
And
two form one square, right?
One,
okay, so we can
square,
count this 13. Mm-hmm.
13. And there are down these besides
two?
6 and 10 there
These
are
two?
14.
Okay. But
Yeah,
I have
14.
another idea.
What?
Okay. We can take one of the big parts with one of the small parts. So, for example, I can take this one with this one. Okay? Okay. So, these two
Yes.
can form. I will take the one next to it to make it better here. These two. Okay, it's the same. No problem. We can take these two to form 14.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yes.
And in the other
Yes,
side
they
here,
are
we
14.
can say that these two also can form 15. Okay.
15.
And these two.
Beside 7.
Okay, 16.
Yeah. These two is 16. And 11.
Okay, I have this
beside
part
11
left,
and
and
12
this one,
uh,
and this one, and
yeah.
this one.
Is
These four.
yeah.
So,
It will be
okay,
17, 18.
So it's not 18, it's about 18.
Square unit.
Okay, because
Yeah.
as you can see, I have 4 left, and all of them is more than half. So it's about 18. It will be more than 18,
More
but
than
not
half.
35. You see the answers? You see the numbers for the answers here?
Yeah.
I have 18. Yes, not 12, and not 35.
And not 18,
so
and not,
which one should we choose? Of course.
I mean, not
Yes. So, my heroes, this is
18.
an estimate, and for this one, it's about 18. Okay, thank you, my hero. Good
About
work.
18.
And my heroes, let's
Welcome.
move to the next question. Any questions, any problems about this one? 55? Okay. The next one also is the same. We need to estimate the area. Okay.
Mister, can I go to the bathroom?
And Ahmed Al-Biddi. Okay, Ahmed, estimate the area of the shape. Okay, so you're counting now the filled squares, right?
2, 3.
Okay, so you're counting these all. But I think this is rectangle.
Yes.
I can break the shape so I can make a rectangle down, right? It's easy for us to do this because
Yes.
we know that we can just count these and these. Tell me. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yes, 4. And this one is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
3, 4, 5, 6.
Okay,
7,
so
8.
this is, yes, 4 multiplied by
4
8
multiplied
equals
8.
Okay, quickly, Ahmed.
I'm thinking.
So the area here is
32.
32. We have another part here
32.
and the same here. These two are the same, right? Okay.
Yes. 1.
Okay,
2.
1, 2 here. And here also another 2. So 3, 4.
3.
Okay,
3,
now let's count the
4.
parts. I see this part with this part can form 1, So we reached 4. So these two
With
together
this part.
makes the 5th. Yes. And these two also.
5,
Okay.
6, 7,
So
8.
I have 8 and 32. In the top 8 and down the rectangle is 32. Okay, 8 plus 2.
It plus.
Yes,
The
the answer
answer
is
is
40.
32.
Excellent, Ahmed. Thank you. So which one should I choose? This one? Of course, the answer is D, 40 square units. And my heroes, this is estimate. This is not the exact area. So this is near to the area, but not the exact number. Okay, let's move to the next one. And also it's the same. Estimate the area of the shape. Okay, let me choose one of my heroes to help. Okay. And Ali al-Bishr. Okay, Ali. Estimate the area
Yes,
of the
teacher.
shape.
Teacher.
We start first with what? The filled squares. Okay.
The first square.
So let's do it. 1,
1,
2, 3,
1,
4,
2, 3, 4, 5, 6,
9,
7, 8,
10, 11, 12.
9, 10,
So these are 12
11,
filled squares.
12.
Let's see the parts. These two squares form one square, right?
Yes.
So 13.
Yes.
And these two also form another one. So 14 and
14, 15,
so we've reached
and
16.
16.
I need a number near 16. I can see 16 itself. So we can choose this one because I have 16. Okay, if I don't have 16, I will choose a number near to 16, 15 or 17. But here I see 16. So I will choose it. Okay, thank you, my hero. Great work. And my heroes, this is estimate. So this is not the exact area. We're trying to find a number near to the exact area. Okay, let's move down.
Before now,
Okay,
with
no problem.
mistake, I opened my mic. Sorry.
Okay, my heroes, let's move to the next one. Mu'adh. Go ahead.
Yes. Yes. What is the area of the figure?
Yes, Mu'adh, go ahead.
9 multiply 5. Teacher, the answer for number 57.
Yes.
9
And
multiply 5
I want to ask you a question.
45.
This 45 is exact area or an estimate? Exact or estimate?
Area.
This is exact area, so this is exact, not an estimate. So my heroes, it's 45 and nothing other than 45. Not 45 and one more or one less. So it's exact.
Mr. Maybe Muhammad, what means exact and estimate? Maybe he don't
Again,
know
what's your
what
problem,
it means.
Abdulaziz?
Maybe Muaz, he don't know
No,
what
he
means
knows.
estimate and
He understands the
exact.
difference. Okay, thank you, Abdulaziz, and please do not use your mic without permission. Okay, back to Muaz.
Okay, thank you.
Okay, so Muaz, this one is exact area.
Yes.
So if we have here a number near 45, we cannot choose it. We can only choose 45 because this one is not estimate. This is not near to the exact. It's the exact. It's the actual area. Okay. Thank you, Muaz. Great work. And my heroes, let's move to the next question.
Okay.
And this time also, we're doing the same.
I did finish writing.
Abdulaziz Sultan. Okay, go ahead.
Here. 10 feet multiplied 6 feet.
Yes. 60.
Equals 16. And
So,
16
60 square
means
feet.
60. And the 60
And it's the exact area, so you should find 60 and choose it. So if you have any number near to 60, do not choose it, just choose 60. Okay, thank you, Abdulaziz. Great work. I'll make it a little bit smaller. Okay. My heroes, let's move to the next question. Yahya? Okay, can you read the question, my hero?
Yes, teacher. Mr. Peer built a playhouse for her children. The playhouse floor is in the shape of a rectangle measuring 12 feet long and 11 feet wide. 10 feet wide. What is the area of the playhouse floor? Questions. 22,
Okay.
44,
What do you think we should
120, 130. We should multiply.
Excellent.
12
okay, my heroes, the shape
10.
is rectangle. As you can see, the shape is rectangle, right?
What?
Okay. One of the two dimensions
Yes.
is 12 and the other is 10. Okay, I'll erase it and draw it again because I want to draw it a little bit smaller. This is the playground. This is 12 and this one is 10. To find the area, we should just multiply 12
10.
by 10. Okay, my hero, 12 multiplied by 10 equals?
100.
Oh, what? Why?
130.
Okay, explain why.
112.
Just write the 12.
20, I mean.
And add 10. So we add 10 because we are multiplying by 10.
Equals 120.
When we multiply by 10, we use the same number, 12, and just add 10. So 120. Okay, thank you, my hero. Great work. Okay, everyone, if you have any problems, please ask about question 60.
Thank you.
Any problems? So this is rectangle, and we multiply 10 by 12. It's 120. Any problems? Okay. No, don't say no. If you do, you have a problem, Abdulaziz?
No, but I don't finish writing. No, but I
Okay,
don't.
write it, my hero, and draw
I don't
also.
writing.
Draw this shape also. Draw the rectangle and write 12. Okay, draw and write.
Yeah, I draw.
And everyone, draw and write, because you need to understand why we multiply 12 by 10. Yes, Yusuf?
Sir, I can go to the bathroom.
If it's urgent, go quick.
I can go to the bathroom. I urgent.
Okay, my heroes. Let's move to again.
Can I go?
Who's speaking? No, you can wait after the session.
Can I
Drink
drink
after the
water?
session, my hero.
I am Hassan Isa. Can I drink water?
Okay, my heroes.
Okay.
Let's move to the next question. Okay. Abdullah Al-Badr. Okay, please read the question.
Yes. The perimeter of a square is 20 feet. What is the area of the square?
Okay, so this is a square.
Yeah.
Okay, do you know what we mean about the square? When we say square, we mean that all sides are equal. Okay. Now, do you know what's the meaning of this word perimeter? Okay, the perimeter here for this rectangle, for this square, is the length of the outer line, this line. This line. The length of this line. So if the length of this line is 10, so this is also 10, 10, 10. So we can say 10 plus 10 how many times? Or simply multiply by 4, right?
4 times.
So 10 plus 10 plus 10 plus 10, or 10 multiplied by 4.
Equal.
So the perimeter is the length multiplied by, the length multiplied by 4. So what number can we multiply by 4 to get 20? Yes?
To get to 20.
No, I want the number that you multiply by 4 to get 20.
I will go to the 5.
Yes. So this is 5.
I'll put another 5.
So it's a square with side length 5. So this is 5, 5, 5, 5. Now it's 20. What's the area? The area is inside. What's the area?
Yeah.
Oh no, the area
is 20.
This one is length multiplied by width. Not times 4. 5 times what?
5 times.
No. The length and the width are the same. 5 and 5 also.
4.
So it's 5 times 5.
Yeah.
And 5 times 5 equals?
Yeah. 5 times 5
So
equals
my heroes, the correct answer
25.
is 25 square feet. Okay, thank you, my hero. And again, everyone, I'll explain it again one more time. The perimeter is the side length times 4. So what number I can multiply it by 4 to get 20? The number is 5. So this 5, I will take it, and this is the length. And as we know, in the square, the length and the width are the same. So 5 times 5. This is the area. 5 multiplied by 5. And 5 multiplied by 5 is 25. Okay, my heroes, any problems? Any problems about this question? Okay. So, we will stop here. You have a problem?
Mister.
Hassan, what's your problem?
Yeah. It's
The perimeter is 5 times 4 and the area is 5 times 5. What's your problem? Okay, Hassan, what? Okay.
Nothing.
Now you know what's the how to find the answer, right? Okay. Thank you, my heroes. This is the end of our session. See you tomorrow and goodbye. Goodbye, my heroes.
I love you, Mr.
Bye, teacher. Bye, teacher.
1000